Current hex cost for the most part is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Hex cost investigation generally is negative today, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. First help level for hex essentially is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner, 14 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these often fundamentally clarified some things, facts. What essentially is a specially transient cost expectation for hex truly is hex a by and large wise interest in a huge manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in a sort of enormous manner. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the hex specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us certainly discuss the very current economic situations, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,053,907,408,331 in a by and large significant manner. The very absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $27,882,883,474, which certainly is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%. Which by and large is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, which generally is genuinely critical. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending heading for especially present moment, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of now, a sort of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of enormous manner. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become sort of more genuinely dynamic and, in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that exceptionally current hex cost really is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of hex. Hex execution. The by and large day-to-day diagram of hex truly shows that the hex cost especially has a really descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours, or so they especially thought. The value worth of the hex coin basically is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, truly further appearance. How XRP, the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at 49 cents in a sort of significant manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, exhibiting how following especially are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The day-to-day diagram of hex in every practical sense shows that the hex cost generally has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.19% decline in extremely beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 14 September 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive way. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA 2 in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the hex in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, so hex cost examination generally is negative today. In a for the most part large manner, hex financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing how hex financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Hex fundamentally has an in every practical sense closest opposition of $0.036, exhibiting that we utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the hex in an unpretentious manner especially. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in a real sense help the upturn energy, so the value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, pretty further appearance. How XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.98, and at present exchanging at 49 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039. Which in every practical sense shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. On the other hand, assuming the financial backers in a real sense betray the hex, the fundamentally bears could handle the market and really take hex cost beneath the urgent help level of $0.030, which basically shows that hex financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph, showing how hex financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline, or so they by and large thought. While hex's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating